As we see today, as we stand here, the hallowed grounds of our regional office, I can see sa atong mga mata na nakita pa na tong blues sa atong vacation. So I think everyone would agree on that. So today is the start of a new year, so a new chapter of our lives, a new story to tell, and a new commitment to commit. So as we welcome another year, let us take a moment to reflect on what 2024 brought us. Each passing year shapes us into who we are today. These chapters of our lives open us up to diverse experiences, and as we all know, experience is the greatest teacher. What we live through, whether good or bad, has a purpose. As we step into 2025, let me remind you that your past experience can guide you in deciding what to focus on in this new year. To begin this fresh chapter, we often set New Year's resolution. However, it is crucial to remember that these resolutions should be prioritized self-reflection, self-improvement, and personal growth. So here are the few steps to help you make your New Year's resolution. So first of the list, kabulutan ni tanan, be smart. So I think kabulutan sa meaning sa smart na acronym, no? So your goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bounded. So by following SMART, you can make a clear goal. So clarity is the key. A well-defined goal makes it easier to map out your journey. Break your resolutions into smaller, actionable steps that are manageable and achievable. Number 2, create a strategy. Develop a plan and write down. Make the process enjoyable. Identify areas where you need to focus and acknowledge potential obstacles. Use your strengths to create solutions and strategies to overcome challenges. 3. Track your progress. Consistency and commitment are essential. Regularly monitor how far you've come and celebrate small victories along the way. So, makita mo sa social media, small wins, you know. So, 4, embrace imperfection. Remember, perfection is not the goal. It is okay to stumble or make mistakes. What matters is your willingness to get back on track and keep moving forward. So, mga setbacks in life is unexpected reaction. So, we must always press on in the way. So, as we embrace the opportunities this new year brings, let us view our resolutions not as fleeting ideas, but as meaningful commitments to ourselves. So before I conclude, allow me to share some inspiration for the new year 2025. This year, let us normalize living less, ignoring trends, unplugging, saying no to what drains us, living within our means, practicing contentment, rejecting the urge to constantly upgrade, repairing instead of replacing. A simple, intentional life is both beautiful and enough. Here's to a year filled with growth, fulfillment, and achievement of our goals. The journey may not always be smooth, but with focus, perseverance, and positivity, success is within our reach. Together, let us make 2025 a remarkable year. Thank you, and once again, Happy New Year to everyone.
Thank you for that reminder and inspiring speech, sir. Citation read, Regional Order Number R10 RAW 2024-071, Medalya ng Papuri, pursuant to the Bureau of Fire Protection 10 Program on Awards and Incentives for Service Excellence. This Medalya ng Papuri is hereby conferred to Fire Senior Inspector Kyle Brian C. Lauzon, Station Commander, Station 3 Carmen Fire Station, PFP Region 10, for his insightful contribution and commendable performance as the Troop Information and Education Speaker during the traditional Monday flag raising ceremony held on January 6, 2025 at the BFP Regional Office 10. Such display of dedication and commitment served to inspire and motivate others, contributing to the successful achievement of the BFP's mandate and programs, thereby worthy of recognition and emulation. Given the 6th day of January 2025 at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Gumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Alma Gran Abacahid, PhD, Fire Chief Soup, DSC BFP Regional Director. May we call on any announcement from different divisions and sections, ma'am, sir? There being none, at this moment, let us hear a message from our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, for Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir.
Troop Commander, kindly bring your troops into attention. Good morning sa tanan ug Happy New Year. I-share lang nako ang thought sa message sa ato ang speaker, no, katurog yung akong timanan ang SMART, no. So whatever the lessons we have learned from the previous year, the 2024, no, unta atong change or ma-improve pa, no, for this year. O nila pa ka ng common sayings nga you make yourself the better version for the next year. So yung anak, no? So SMART. So, ako na i-challenge sa katong mga still single hangtod karon 2025 na, no? You have your kanapitang vision na SMART imuhang goal, no? Specifically kay ato ang best junior fire officer si Bunmar FO3 Bunmar Buray, no. Dapat na kay goals nga SMART, no. Dapat specific. We have a lot of kanang activities, no. Dapat upcoming nato nga trainings. By the way, our trainees coming from the FPRC nga nahuman lang o graduate, they will be having a courtesy call with our RD this morning. So I don't know unsang nga oras. Then naapod tay upcoming na pod nga training for the next batch of FPRC katong mga ROPs. They are supposed to complete their medical and dental exam today, but wala pa feedback ang national headquarters with regards to the provision of the dentist. Kaya wala naman tayo dentist. So, naka-remember ko, nag-request supposed to be ang availability is 26 and 27. Kaya na-upload na rin si Doc Lara, but wala man until now, wala feedback. So, I don't know kung matagaan ta nila ang dentist. So, mauna problema kung wala tayo resident na dentist. Again, whatever the assigned task nga gihatag sa ato, we will just do it according to our previous RD. We have to inspire not only to ourselves but also to our co-workers. Again, good morning and have a blessed week ahead of us.
Thank you for that message, sir. This has been your host, FO1 Ron Shin C. Damit. Thank you and let's have a safe and productive week ahead.
May ni ano sir, Sir Arda.
Sige, sige.